Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your network public in Windows. First, understand that a public network profile is less secure, as it makes your device more discoverable to others on the same network. This setting is best for untrusted locations like coffee shops or airports. A private profile, conversely, is for trusted home or office networks, allowing for easier file sharing and device discovery among your own devices. To begin, open your Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon. Once the Settings window appears, navigate to the Network and Internet section. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Status to view your current network configuration. This will show you an overview of your active network connection and its properties. Now, under your active network connection, click on the Properties button. This will open a new window with detailed settings for your network. Scroll down until you find the Network Profile section. Here, you'll see two options, Public and Private. Simply select Public to change your network profile. This adjustment immediately applies the new security settings. Congratulations, your network profile is now set to public. This change helps protect your device when connected to untrusted networks, like those in public places. Remember, you can always switch back to a private profile if you're on a trusted home or work network, simply by following these same easy steps. Stay safe online.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.